Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Consumer watchdog group Truth in Advertising has called out celebrities for allegedly promising non-fungible tokens without disclosing their connection to the projects. The not-for-profit consumer said on their website they investigate celebrities who promote non-fungible tokens on their social media channels, finding that it's an area with the captions. Among the star-studded list are sports star Floyd Mayweather and Tom Brady, music icons Eminem and Snoop Dogg, and several actresses, including Gwyneth Paltrow, all of whom have immediately disclosed any material connections they have to companies or brands they have promising starting. The promoter often facial disclose material connection to the endorsed company are digital certificates stored on the blockchain proving ownership of a digital or physical asset, often an attract with many high-profile projects often attracting celebrity endorsement and promotion. While no real legal penalty has been assessed, noted that it said letter to the celebrities involved on August 8, outlining their grievance and advising them of the potentially harmful effects selling can have on the public. On all the group's primary concerns outlined in the letter is thus the possible financial risks associated with investing in such speculative digital assets are not being disclosed. Previously sent letter to Justin Bieber and the Twitter funds legal teams on June 10 for promoting on their social media accounts without disclosing their connection to the projects. Bieber's legal team responded on July 1, denying any wrongdoing but stating the post would be updated, while Witherspoon's legal team conceded on July 20, claiming the actress is not receiving any material and from promoting. She linked code-violate guidelines in a blog post on their website and mentioned celebrities could be violating the Federal Trade Commission rules regarding the use of endorsement and testimonials in advertising and the requirements for influencers. The advocacy group likes in the website which outlines that influencers must disclose any material connections to brands they are endorsing and make the disclosure clear, ambiguous, continuous, and within the endorsement. So far, there has not been a publishing case of celebrities facing legal penalties for filing for crypto. Though there are several ongoing class action suits, most famously against Elon Musk for endorsement of Dogecoin and Mark Cuban for promoting Fiverr crypto products. A handful of other celebrities like Matt Damon caused a significant stir when he appeared in ad promoting crypto products, which saw the actor recently make and ridicule for his involvement. Don't listen to Celeb and his Securities and Exchange Commission keyword initial coin offerings in a post on their website. Investors should not the celebrity endorsement may appear unused but instead might be part of a paid promotion. Celebrities who endorse an investment often do not have sufficient expertise to ensure that investment approach and it complies with federal securities law. According to the SEC, celebrities and influencers using social media to ensure their followers to purchase stocks or other investment could be unlawful if they do not disclose the nature, such an amount of any compensation paid directly or indeed. Related Snoop Dogg may be the face of Web3 and news, but what does that mean for the industry? Celebrities who endorse and his investment often do not have sufficient expertise to ensure that investment is appropriate and complies with federal securities laws. According to the SEC, so far there has not been a publishing case of celebrities facing legal penalties for selling or crypto. Though there are several ongoing class action suits, most famously against Elon Musk for his endorsement of Dogecoin, Mark Cuban for promoting Voyager crypto products. A handful of other celebrities like Matt Damon caused a significant stir when he appeared in a promising crypto products, which show the actor recently marketed in Redisol for his involvement. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.